Morning everyone, and welcome back to the van build. I've had a delivery. In my last van I ordered the VanX Curtains. I've been waiting for these for a while on back order because they're so popular. They are a full blackout curtain. The black side goes to the window and the grey side is inside the van. I've had these before. They're incredibly stretchy and incredibly thick. I'm going to put these on today. What I didn't get last time when I ordered my VanX curtains was one of these. I don't know whether you can see that, but it's the device that you screw down to a sideboard, and then what you do is that you're able to then bend these metal bars or railings to the curvature of your window. Now, like I said, I didn't actually get one of these in my last build, and to be honest with you, I actually bent these by hand, and I think that as long as you're careful, it's actually easier because you can actually feel whether you're actually going to overbend the bar or not. I've never used this, and I don't think I'm going to use it now. If you don't feel comfortable by bending them by hand, then yeah, use the device that they've given you there. Just be very careful when you do bend them, because it's a metal and it's then coated or powder coated with a grey paint and then lacquered by the look of it, because they're quite shiny. I don't know whether you can see that, but they are really good. And the reason why I buy the VanX curtains as opposed to the Caravan, and don't quote me on this because I've never bought the Caravan curtains, but I was so happy buying these last time, and it's all about these little plastic attachments that fit in the rail. It's all about the quality of those as well as the quality of the curtain itself, and like I said, they're really stretchy and they are full blackout. And I had them in the last van and was so happy with them that I've bought these ones. They're about £92 for a pair of side windows, which fit the sliding door and obviously the side window, which I'm about to put in. These are the VanX curtains, £92, and I'm going to fit them now, and let's see how we get on. Here we go. So you're going to take a full length bar. Now you must remember that when you're putting in the VanX curtains, the channel or the flat channel is going to be facing the window. You'll also notice that there's a slight groove along the channel. Now that's where you're actually going to drill the holes for the screws. What I've done is that I've bent or formed the shape of the window, and I've done that actually with my hands. I've not used the device. I find it easier if I grip the bar like this and use your thumb as an indicator, and then you put pressure with your other hand and bend it round, and do it slowly. Take your time on it, and then that will fit into the window and here as well. Now what I need to do is that you get 6 screws, there you go, in the packet for the one side. 2 screws you're going to use for the end caps, which are there. So there's the end caps. So I've got four holes to drill on this bracket, and how I'm going to do that is that I'm going to measure, because that's the type of person I am. I'm going to measure the length of the bar, and then I'm going to divide it up into 4 to make sure that I have equal distances across. Right, so we're now at this stage where I've drilled a hole in the channel, 4 holes in the channel. What I'm now going to do is offer it up and then put the screw in and use my impact driver, drill the hole into the frame, and then screw it in. Here you go then, and here they are, the VanX curtains all fitted in. So this is actually the driver's side, And then if I just come round to here, I've also fitted in the sliding door side. The sliding door side, I've actually put the poppers in at the far top and bottom. And over on the far side here, and this is what I always find with these curtains, because you've got the roller bar, the bracket's going to come up to the top here, and so I've put a stopper in at the end here, and then I've popped it in over on the far side. So that's the curtains in the windows, which is fantastic. I have to say they're actually a little bit tighter than the curtains that I had before. Whether VanX have actually made them slightly smaller deliberately, or they've just turned out smaller, because the windows are the same size, obviously. This is a set of VanX curtains. I fitted them today. The reason why I say that is because you're getting a little bit of here, you're getting light come through. There you go, you can see the light on it just coming through there, which I never had on the last ones. I think it's because they're quite tight, so they might loosen up. But like I said, the reason why I buy these is because of these clips here are so much more durable, as well as the actual curtain themselves are really flexible, and they are what they say they are, blackout, apart from obviously these little gaps here. Okay, so that's the VanX curtains in. Next is the benches, and I know some of you guys have been asking me questions about the benches and how they convert into a bed. That will be the next part of the build, and see you later. Cheers.